Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Yoann and I am so glad you are here with me. Today it is Tuesday, April 11th and let me show you what I did day trading. Let's go! Okay, so you should be able to see my screen now. This is SPX in 1 minute. Let me zoom out a little bit. We were in an uptrend all day, as you can tell over here, except the last 15 minutes of the day, we legit completely fell down. And you know, it's very interesting because if we go on a 30 minute, I want to show you something before I explain that. There is a saying on Wall Street, stock take the stair up and elevator down, right? So if we look, since this morning, right, we opened over here, when tried to go up a little bit and consolidated, went down. So let's start from here. From 10:30 a.m., we were at 41.02 on SPX, all the way up to 2:30 p.m., right? So what is that? 4.5 hours, right? And then we were at 41.23 here. So it took 4.5 hours to go from 41.03 to 41.23. If you put 20 bucks, right? That's it. 41.03 here, 41.23 here. And then it legit took like 30 minutes to completely flush down. So, you know, when people are saying stock the stairs up and then elevator down, that's what it represents. I think that's the perfect example. Anyway, let's going back to SPX here on 3 or even 1 minute actually would be better. I scalped today, guys. I was in a scalp mode. Oh my God, I scalped so fast. So let me show you what I did. Let me go over here. Sorry about that. All right, cool. So I scalped 2 times. Number 1 over here, break of the 9, went in and out. As soon as I pushed the button, about 5, I just started to cut right away. I got filled at 10 cents over my entry price, times 5 is 50 bucks. Boom, right here, $50, okay? And then the next one that was here, and I wanted to enter over here. I missed my entry. I had it up and I couldn't get filled. And then I completely missed that. I'm like, I need to wait for retracement. When that happened over here, I'm like, I'm entering. So we start to flush right away. I started to buy 5 over here. And I cut legit, that happened in 20 sec. Boom, all the way down. The new candle opened for the next minute. And I cut right there, boom. We went from 120, I think, to $2, and I have 5 contracts. That's 400 plus the 50 I did before, 450. That was my fastest trade to date, guys. I think in my career, if I'm not mistaken. The reason why is because I entered at 12:45 p.m. and 46 sec. I cut at 12:46 and 12 sec. 46 and 12 right here between those 2 minutes, it's 26 sec. Insane. So yeah, that was pretty crazy. Yeah, pretty proud of myself on this one. That was really cool. $450 total for the day, but 400 for that trade. Pretty amazing. When we flush, you can tell I definitely got like the big flush on that big candle over here. So I'm pretty happy. That was a nice one as well. I mean, long story short, if you enter over here and held it all the way down, you will have a bank. The reason why I didn't hold is, number 1, it is the last 15 minutes of the day. Number 2, volatility is insane when that happened. Number 3, you don't know at any time they can reverse it. And number 4, I'm in a scalp mode. I'm not here to hold something. I'm here to come in and out. That's it, period. And that's what I did. So that's it, guys. Now you know I made $450 for the day. Total 26 sec over here and exactly 30 sec for the first one. So in basically 56 seconds today, I'm at $450. Now, why do I always say, you know, time versus money and all that? Well, because before I was doing that, as you know, I was a general manager in a high-end fitness club, high-end brand of fitness club, and I was just working long hours, right? And yes, I was maybe getting paid well, but at the end of the day, I was just like, wow, it's crazy because I have a boss and I have a lot of things, you know, people to manage and issues and all of that, and it's not my business at the end, right? I wish I do love that company that gave me a chance to be part of and for my growth in the fitness industry, but it's just that, you know, I was working a lot. Now, this is always interesting to me that now I'm my own boss, and I would say that the market is the boss, but I can manage my own hours, decide to work or not, do all of that. And then obviously I work every single day. Even if I don't take a trade, I'm in front of my computer all the time looking at entry, exit, what can happen, how can I put the odds on my side or not, and this and that. And at the end of the day, you know, it is me, myself, and I. If I make money, it's thanks to me. If I lose money, I blame myself. There was nowhere else to blame. Therefore, it's just amazing to see that I can make that amount of money in such a short amount of time. And to be honest, it's just the beginning, right? I mean, I've been doing this for 3 years, but I'm only 3 years in. What's going to happen in 10 years from now? Hopefully I can add a 0 or 2 to those daily gains. So stick with me on that. As you can follow my journey, I'm going to try to record myself as much as I can, so you can see my how do I evolve as a trader. And thank you so much for sticking with me, subscribing, sharing that video, liking, and that's it. Go on coachyoann.com as well if you want. You can book your free one-on-one coaching with me. It's free for 15 minutes. We can speak. I will call you either on Zoom, Google Meet, or over the phone, and we can speak about your mindset, about trading, or we can also speak about fitness. I'm still a fitness coach, so I'm happy to talk about fitness as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.